Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Press the Windows key to focus the Start menu, because once the shell has focus, taskbar keyboard shortcuts work. Make sure you're on the desktop or have no full-screen app blocking keys. If the Start menu opens, press ESC to close it and then press Windows plus T to jump to the taskbar. Once done, you'll see a rectangle highlight on the first taskbar icon. This gives keyboard control without a mouse. Once the taskbar highlight is active, use left and right arrow keys to move between icons. You can also press Windows plus T repeatedly to cycle. If an icon groups multiple windows, press up arrow to open its thumbnail list, then navigate with arrows. Press Enter to open or restore a window, or press space to open a quick preview. Make sure to combine Shift or Control when needed for special behaviors, and pause briefly between key presses for reliable detection. To finish, press ESC to release taskbar focus, or press Windows plus D to show the desktop. If the keyboard fails, make sure numlock and function key modes aren't blocking inputs. Next, check Device Manager for driver issues. If the taskbar is frozen, open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC, locate Windows Explorer, and restart it. This resets the taskbar without rebooting. One quick
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.